Hello children. Today we will learn answer the following questions of chapter number 8 Natural Vegetation. So please take out question answers of chapter number 8. First question, write in brief some uses of forests. We need to explain some uses of forest. There are many uses of forest, so you can write any 4 you can write or any 5 you can write. Okay, in your book so many uses are given, and you also know there are many uses of forest, so any 4 points you can write. Okay, so I will explain all these points once again and you can choose any 4 points. First use, they give us oxygen to breathe. One of the most important use of forest, that is they give us oxygen, because there are many trees in a forest. Trees give us oxygen. Next use, trees provide shade and prevent the earth from getting too hot. Then if there is a forest, obviously there will be many trees. From these trees we will get shade, and it help us to prevent this hot getting the earth getting too hot. Okay, that is one of the most important. First of all, we said I explained that the forest give us oxygen. Second important thing, that is trees provide shade. That means there are many trees in the forest, and from these trees we get shade, and it prevent the earth from becoming too hot. Okay, that is the second point. Third, trees act as water pumps. They absorb a lot of water from the soil and release into the atmosphere in the form of water vapors. Water vapor form clouds and bring rain. Hence, trees help in causing rain. One of the most important use of forest, that because of this forest we get rain. How these trees cause rain? Because the trees act as water pumps. They absorb a lot of water from the soil. They can take water from soil and release into the atmosphere. They take water from the soil and release into the atmosphere, and in the form of water vapor. And water vapor, you know that this thing you have learned in science also. Water vapor form clouds, and it comes back in the form of rain. So forest cause rain also. Okay, now next point, trees use up the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to make food for the plants. Trees use the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Trees take all the carbon dioxide, because they need carbon dioxide to make their food. So they need carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is not, that is the thing, we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So we don't need carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide they take, and they give us oxygen. And this carbon dioxide is not, if there are no trees in the atmosphere, then what will happen? All this carbon dioxide will become a great problem for the people who live in earth. So if there are many trees, this carbon dioxide level will decrease. Okay, next, absorption of carbon dioxide keeps the air clean and pure, and when they take this carbon dioxide for their food, and then that means they make our air pure and clean. Next, roots of trees bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. If there are many in the forest, that you know that there are many big trees, and all these big trees are big roots. So these roots, what will they do? This root prevent soil erosion. They what they do, they bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. Next, trees break the flow of water and control floods. And one of the important thing, that is trees break the flow of water. If there is sometimes what happens, there will be continuous rain. If there is continuous rain, what will happen? It may lead to flood. When the flood happens, if there are many trees, what will happen? They can break the flow of water, because if there are big trees and strong trees, they can break the flow of water and control floods. And next important thing, neem and eucalyptus are medicinal plants. They are medicinal plants, and plants give us food. Next important thing, plant give us food and fruits and nuts. Plants give us food and fruits and nuts. Next, trees give shelter to wild animals and birds. Trees give us shelter, not to wild animals and birds. Because of these trees, these wild animals and birds get shelter. And next point, we get timber, firewood, lac, resins, gum, cork and rubber from trees. We get many things from trees. Next, timber obtained from plants is used to make furniture, railway sleepers and as building material. Timber get from plants, we use it for furniture and railway sleepers and building material. All these things we use timber. And we get paper from wood pulp. From wood pulp we get paper. We make paper from wood, and it is also from the forest. People make useful products from woods of trees like sal, teak, sandalwood, bamboo and shisham. People make useful product. Many trees will be there in the forest. So from these trees, people make useful products. Okay. So these are the uses of forest. Any 4 points you can write. Okay. Now next question, what are the main types of forest found in India? In India, what are the different types of forest we can see in India? That is, answer is there in the page number 70. You can see in the left side, first paragraph, types of natural vegetation. You can see 4 types of forest, that are tropical evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn and scrub forest, montane forest. These are the different types of forest found in India. Okay, so this you can do in copy and learn. This is for the day. Thank you.